If you've been trying to do intervals on Strava, here is the thing. The official interval feature is only available on Strava Premium. But don't worry, there's an easy workaround. Instead of paying for Premium, you can manually structure your intervals using routes, segments, or timed efforts. Open the Strava app, tap record, and start your activity. Use landmarks or distance markers you already know, like every 200 meters or every lap as your work phase. Then slow down or rest in between for recovery. You can also create a custom route with alternating fast and easy sections, so your map basically becomes your interval guide. When you upload it, Strava will show your splits, pace changes, and heart rate, letting you track effort like real interval workout. It's not as automated as Premium, but it works just as well if you plan it right. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe for more useful content.